Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing guys how you can basically add a title under your name in Instagram. Go to your profile page and select the three lines and go to settings first. Go to your account and you are going to switch to professional account. Yes, you need a professional account for this. Continue. And then here is where you can select the title. We have a lot of options you can choose from. Artist, musician, blogger, clothing, community, digital creator, education, entrepreneur, health, beauty, editor, writer, personal blog, product, service, gamer, restaurant, beauty, cosmetic and personal care, grocery store, photographer, shopping, and retail and video creator. And select the one that you want and then make sure you enable display on profile. I'm just going to select personal blog and press done. And if you go back to your Instagram page, it's going to add that like personal blog title. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!